Welcome to Halo vs Call of Duty vs Battlefield.
Halo is the best.
No, you noob, Call of Duty is.
Everyone, Battlefield is.
Viewers, please leave a comment. Say which one you think is the best.
There can only be one winner. You decide now.
I want some bacon.
Who cares?